birthday araw-araw. Magtulis. Ang ganda ng pasa na yan kay Baldavid on a follow away. Scuffle for the rebound. Natapi kay Baldavid. Open is Mark Agiwa. Mark Agiwa. Lumapit na konti. Hindi kinaliwa. Meron ka pala nun. Hindi ko alam.
Iba talaga. Eto na, dahil meron ka ibang iniingatan, biglang pumuputok itong mga ganitong players.
They reverse the ball. Kagiwa is open for a 3-point shot. And that PLDT IDD long distance shot brought to you of course by our friends from PLDT. Mark Kagiwa.
Oo nga, I was about to say, yung mga refs allowing some contact there.
Mark Kagiwa. Yung isang nakikita natin na hindi nalalaman ng maraming scout, yung kanyang explosive first step to the basket. Long, nakawala pa rin for his 15-point. Danny Siegel, open is Kagiwa. He'll take this one. Mainit, mainit, mainit ang kamay ng bata.
Grabe ang quickness nito, no? Hindi mo alam kung da-drive siya o da-jump shot siya. Kaya kung minsan, parang natitigilan, nafi-freeze yung